The web store point of sale processes many payment types. Cash, card, check are the basic payment types, but many others, including accounts receivable, are also supported. Watch this video to see how web store processes multiple payment types. To get started, scan, or manually add items to the point of sale cart. Adjust the item quantities, and invoke checkout. On the checkout page, you're able to adjust the amount fields, specify amount tendered, and select a payment method. This video describes the payment methods, available through the blue buttons. Pay by card enables separate credit or debit card payments. If your card reader is integrated, you're prompted with a choice of credit and debit buttons. The reader prompts the customer. The card is inserted, and the customer completes the transaction. No credit card data is shared with the point of sale. This keeps the merchant free of fraud issues, and simplifies PCI compliance. The point of sale acknowledges the successful transaction. The receipt is printed and emailed. Inventory is decremented on full payment. After a few seconds, the screen automatically returns to the sell screen, ready for the next sale. All payment methods follow this general process, with some minor exceptions. We'll cover the exceptions on the other payment methods. If you had selected cash or check payments, the point of sale bypasses the card reader, and goes directly to the order acknowledgement page. The order acknowledgement is displayed for a few seconds, before going back to the sell screen. Expand the menu. Select the cash management option. The cash management page displays cash transactions, for current, and previous shifts. At the end of each shift, reconcile the cash drawer, saving noted differences in the cash count field. For bank deposits, or petty cash withdrawals, use the red and green buttons in the upper right. Here's an example of the pop-up used to reconcile bank deposits. That's all there is for managing cash payments, balancing the till, and making bank deposits. Let's look at another payment type. Split payments apply multiple payment methods towards a single order. This is popular for splitting a restaurant tab, or augmenting loyalty rewards redemption, with other payment methods. Invoke the Split Payments button when ready to make the first partial payment. Open the Amount Tendered field, noting the balance owed. Set the amount tendered, for the first payment. Select the payment method to process the first payment. The first payment is recorded. The remaining balance is displayed. Set the amount tendered for the second payment, as you did the first payment. Select a payment method. The process repeats itself, until the final payment displays the order acknowledgement page. The Pay Later button is used for quotes, orders on hold, layaways, or any form of delayed payment. Use this to complete checkout with partial, or no payment. Layaways, quotes, and payment on terms, must be assigned to a customer, as this friendly alert reminds you. You can add a new customer, or search for an existing customer, using the action in the upper right. If you chose to add a new customer, you'll enter these fields and save them. If you decided to search for a customer, start entering the name, email address, or phone number. Matches will appear, as you enter data. Select the matching customer. Set the amount tendered, to the deposit amount. If none is required, set it to 0. If no deposit is collected, tap the Pay Later button. If a deposit is to be collected, choose the appropriate payment method. The order acknowledgement is displayed with the remaining balance owed. Each time a payment is made on this account, the balance is adjusted accordingly. The inventory is decremented, when the remaining balance is paid off. This concludes our brief overview on payment types. Thanks for watching.